Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Mary Van. I am the Clinical Director at ThriveX. I am one of 3 lead clinicians, which also includes our Medical Director, Dr. Tai Chen, MD, along with Ms. Agnili Boudier, Nurse Practitioner Certified. Each of us represents over 25 years of experience in gerontology, internal medicine, hormone therapy, peptide therapy, pharmacy, nutrition, IV therapy, physical rehabilitation, as well as orthopedics. We have been fortunate to be able to see what does work to get our patients healthy again, and unfortunately we have also seen what does not work. And I imagine if you're viewing this video, unfortunately you too have probably also experienced what doesn't work and are probably very frustrated at always trying to achieve being healthy again, but never quite getting there, which is the reasons why we created ThriveX. We wanted to create a different type of medical environment, an environment where the focus is not on a standard of practice that's set up by an insurance company that is focused more on controlling the cost of your health rather than getting you healthy again. We wanted to create a medical environment that instead takes a look at the individual patient. In fact, here at ThriveX, we have a saying: we have no right to treat you unless we get to know you. Because what we've learned from over 75 years of combined experience is that the best way to help a patient reach their goals is to first understand what those goals are, as well as understanding the patient's background and what their individual needs are. So when you are ready to be well again, to finally get that quality of life that you deserve, and to finally thrive, we'll be here for you.